Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Stoichiometric calculations. In this video, I will explain worked example regarding mole-mole ratio. First, read the question. How many moles of hydrogen and nitrogen are required to produce 2.5 moles of ammonia gas? This is balanced chemical equation for the reaction. In the question, you are told that you have to produce 2.5 mole of ammonia gas, and the quantities that you are asked to calculate are moles of hydrogen and moles of nitrogen. In the question, you can notice that given quantity is in terms of mole, and the quantity that you are going to calculate is also in terms of mole. For such type of question, always use mole-mole ratio method. First, we will calculate the moles of hydrogen that are required to produce 2.5 mole of ammonia gas. So, we will prepare data for hydrogen. When using this method, mole-mole ratio method, you must explain the given equation, given balanced chemical equation in terms of mole. When you explain a balanced chemical equation in terms of mole, the larger number or the coefficient that are given before with the chemical formula of each compound is equal to the number of mole of that compound. So, for hydrogen, the coefficient or the larger number is 3. So, it means it is equal to 3 moles of hydrogen. Likewise, for ammonia, the coefficient is 2, so it is equal to 2 moles. Now, we can say that 3 moles of hydrogen are required to produce 2 moles of ammonia gas. In the question, the given quantity for ammonia is 2.5 moles, and the quantity of hydrogen that is required to produce 2.5 mole of ammonia is unknown. So, write X below the formula of hydrogen. Now, your data is complete. Cross multiply it, X with 2 and 3 with 2.5. Write the sign of is equal to in between. You will end up with this mathematical equation. You can easily solve this equation for the value of X. You can find the value of X by dividing 3 into 2.5 with 2. Answer is 3.75. It means 3.75 moles of hydrogen are required to produce 2.5 moles of ammonia. Similarly, now we will calculate the moles of nitrogen that are required to produce 2.5 mole of ammonia gas. So, for this we will prepare data for nitrogen. For nitrogen, you can see that there is no coefficient, so it is equal to 1 mole. For ammonia, the coefficient is 2, so it is equal to 2 moles. Now, we can say that 1 mole of nitrogen is required to produce 2 mole of ammonia gas. In the question, the given quantity for ammonia is 2.5, and the quantity of nitrogen that is required to produce 2.5 mole of ammonia gas is unknown. So, write X below the formula of nitrogen. Now, your data is complete. Cross multiply 1 with 2.5 and X with 2. Write the sign of is equal to in between. This is the simple mathematical equation. You can find the value of X by dividing this factor with 2. Answer is 1.25 moles. So, we can say that 1.25 moles of nitrogen are required to produce 2.5 mole of ammonia gas. You can easily use this easy method for solving stoichiometric problems regarding mole-mole ratio. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.